Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
This is Tom Olson of Good Success, and today I've been asked to be the host of REI Classroom. Today we are going to talk about the best way to rent houses, or the best way to buy rentals in your neighborhood or around the country.
This REI Classroom real estate lesson is sponsored by virtualstaffnow.com.
I've been told by a lot of different people that they're going to buy turnkey properties, they're going to buy these houses all fixed up, and they're going to pay almost full retail. But today I'm going to talk about a better way and what I believe is the best way. This is how I buy houses, this is how I buy my own rentals, and I believe that this is, like I said, absolutely bar none, the best way to buy rentals. First of all, I want to let you know I'm coming to you from Chicago, and it is cold. So I've actually created something for you today in BRRRR, B-R-R-R. So really the first thing that we do, obviously, is we buy a house. Now, when you buy the house, you need to get it at a good price. You can't buy retail. You've got to be able to have some equity in the property. And for us, we can typically buy the house and fix up the house and still be about 70-75% loan to value. So that's what I've got. The first thing you have to do is you have to buy cash. And again, a lot of people, they want to buy the house and maybe put $20,000 down and buy a $100,000 house. So I'm going to contrast that with this. You're going to have to pay cash for the entire house up front. So let's just say in my neck of the woods, you're buying a house for $60,000, $70,000. And then the next step is R. So I got BRRR is my acronym today. And this first thing is buy cash. The second thing is rehab. Obviously, it's very simple. So that's the next thing you want to do is rehab the property. Again, you're paying cash for the rehab. You're getting it all done, and you're good to go. In my neck of the woods, again, buying for 50, 60, 70, maybe putting $10, $15, $20,000 into the property. And these houses are all fixed up. They're worth probably between $100,000 to $150,000. All in, I'm looking to be in about 70 to 75% loan to value. So again, let's start with buy, rehab, and then we rent the property, BRRR. So that's where we're at. It's pretty simple. And then the last R is refinance. This is how you can get possible infinity returns on your investment. So let's just give you an example here of a house that's worth $100,000. You'd buy the house for $50,000. You'd put $20,000 into it with your own cash. So you have all your own cash out in the property, and then you go and refi. And banks right now are not letting you pull a bunch of equity out, but they are letting you get all the money that you've put into the properties out of the properties, as long as you're in that 70 to 75%, depending on the bank, loan to value. Again, I think this is the absolute best way to buy rentals. This is how I buy them, and this is how, if you talk to the experts in real estate, this is how they're buying their own cash flowing properties. Again, you got BRRR, buy cash, rehab, rent, and then refi the property. Thank you so much for being with us today. Today's version of the REI Classroom. Have a great day.
virtualstaffnow.com is the leading virtual assistant provider for real estate investors. As busy real estate investors, there's nothing more valuable than our time. And virtualstaffnow.com not only helps you find the right real estate virtual assistant for your business, they train them on an ongoing basis, manage them daily to make sure they're staying productive and effective. And in the event they're not the right fit or need to be replaced, they handle that for you too. Whether you need 1 or 100 virtual assistants for your team, start the process right now at virtualstaffnow.com. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of FlipNerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at flipnerd.com. Please check out the Flip Nerd family of real estate investing shows, where you can access hundreds of expert interviews, quick tips, and lessons from leaders across the real estate investing industry. They're available at flipnerd.com/shows, or simply search for Flip Nerd in the iTunes Store.